In this Python tutorial, you will learn how to use the counter function. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. For example, you have a list. The counter function is very useful if you want to group members with the same value in the list. In short, the counter function indicates the number of occurrences of members in a list. Let's understand better how it works by giving an example. First, I import the counter function. I'm creating a list. There is more than one identical member in the list. For example, there are 3 members in the list with a value of 10. Then I create a variable. I send the list to the counter function and assign it to the variable. I print the variable to the screen with the print command. I printed the number of occurrences of the members in the list into the console. In this Python tutorial, you will learn how to use the counter function. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.